If you need to replace the auger belt or the drive belt, it would be wise to replace both at the same time. It will save time doing similar work at a later date. This video will show you how to do both at the same time. Remove all fuel from the tank by running the engine until it stops, or drain the fuel using a siphon pump. Remove the belt cover at the front of the engine by removing the two self-tapping screws. Roll the auger belt off the front engine pulley. Use a wrench to pivot the idler pulley toward the right. Lift the drive belt off the drive pulley. Carefully pivot the snow thrower up and forward so that it rests on the auger housing. If needed, remove the drift cutters or rotate them out of the way. Remove the frame cover from the underside of the snow thrower by removing the self-tapping screws which secure it. Loosen and remove the shoulder screw, which acts as a belt keeper on the auger pulley. Unhook the auger brake bracket spring from the frame. Use a clamp to hold the drive lever to the handlebar. Remove the old belt from around the auger pulley and slip the belt between the support bracket and the auger pulley. Remove the clamp holding the drive lever to the handlebar. Back out the stop bolt to allow the friction wheel support bracket to pivot down and increase clearance. Slip the drive belt off the friction wheel disc and work it between the friction wheel and disc. Remove it from the snow thrower. Install a new drive belt under the friction wheel, around the friction wheel pulley, and through the auger housing. Reinstall the stop bolt to its previous position. Clamp the drive lever to the handlebar. Install a new auger belt around the auger pulley and through the auger housing. Reinstall the shoulder screw. Reconnect the extension spring to the auger brake bracket and to the frame. Reinstall the frame cover removed earlier and attach it with the self-tapping screws. Pivot the snow thrower back onto its wheels. Use a wrench to pivot the idler pulley toward the right. Place the drive belt over the drive pulley. Slowly release the wrench to place tension on the drive belt. Roll the auger belt onto the engine pulley. Reinstall the belt cover using the two self-tapping screws removed earlier. Test the operation of the drive system and auger control. Adjust each if they are not working properly. These procedures were covered in another section of this video.